One great way to make chicken is in the air fryer. I absolutely love my air fryer. Today we're going to use the Pinsoon air fryer and make some basic barbecue chicken legs. These go in here, they're done really fast. You can get them on the table and have a nice dinner really quickly. So join me as we make barbecue chicken in the Pinsoon air fryer. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank Pinsoon for sending this air fryer. I love this thing. We've been using this a few times. We've made stuffed zucchini in this. We've done a burger in this, and we've been using it frequently, and it's really great. I've been using this more than my oven. So if you want to take a look at this, I'll leave a link down in the description. Thank you, Pinsoon, for sending it. Now let's make some chicken. Okay, so we have our chicken legs, our drumsticks. We're just going to give them a little bit of oil because I'm going to use barbecue rub, and this is going to help the rub stick. Plus, it just provides a little moisture for the chicken. For the chicken. Peacock! How you like that, Boo?
Oh, I don't know.
I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle it with a little barbecue rub. If you're going to make barbecue, you have to start out with a rub, right? This has everything in it. It has the salt, everything. I don't really need to salt it because I don't want it to be too salty. And if I salt on top of this particular rub, you know, it's not going to be good. It'll be way too salty. So if you want to salt and pepper it, really depends on your rub. So just go with your taste. So let's get them in the air fryer. So we are going to set the Pinsoon. We're going to go 400 degrees. And I'm going to leave it at about 20 minutes. It's probably going to take 15, but we want a warm-up time. So we're just going to let it warm up. And we're going to be flipping the chicken along the way. And we're also going to be saucing it about 4 or 5 minutes out before it's done. We're also going to be temping it. We're going to sauce it 1 or 2 times just to give us a nice layer of sticky sauce. And so as soon as this heats up, we'll be right back. Okay, the Pinsoon is nice and heated up. We're going to get the basket out here, and we're going to go ahead and get our chicken in here. Ooh, got a little sizzle. A little sizzling action. Perfect serving for me and Eric. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back in here, and we're going to check on it along the way. So we're looking kind of yummy here. Our chicken is cooking away. We're going to coat it with some barbecue sauce. You can just use your favorite. Oh my gosh, it smells fantastic. The whole house smells like chicken. I might coat these more than one time. My barbecue sauce is very thick. I'm gonna bake it on in layers. What do you think about that, Boo? So let's flip these over so we can get both sides nice and sauced. Fantastic. This is such a quick and easy way to make your chicken. Especially on a weeknight. You get home and you don't have too much time. You want to get to bed. Yeah. So let's do our first round of setting this sauce. So I just want to real quick, oh my gosh, those are looking really good. I want to put some more sauce on it because, you know, that's just how I am. Fantastic. Pinsoon's agreeing with me. It said yes. We'll put these back in here. We're going to set this sauce for a second, and then we're going to plate it. Okay, our chickens are looking pretty good. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So I have a little sample plate here. So let me go ahead and get us some chicken. Oh my gosh. It looks fantastic. It looks amazing. That's a slippery little sucker. Wow, it is so sticky and gooey. Look at that. That, my friends, is some beautiful barbecue chicken. We're going to give us a little bit of potato salad. Wow, that looks nice. So we can take a taste. Okay, cooks, we have barbecue chicken in the Pinsoon Air Fryer. The air fryer did a fabulous job. We cooked it at 400. It's going to take you 15-20 minutes. Just flip it around and then sauce it near the end, maybe 4-5 minutes before it's ready to go. Put your first coating of sauce and then put a second one and allow the cooker to set the sauce. But it looks really good. So let's take a bite of the potato salad. Potato salad is perfect for the barbecue chicken, right? So let's go for it. Look at that. It's really juicy. Flavorful. Really good. Cooked perfectly. Nice and tender. Wow, it just dripped all over me. Just like you would want it to be. Sticky sauce. Thank you, my lovely assistant. Air fryer did a great job. I got chicken juice all down the front of me, and that's the way it should be, right? When we eat barbecue, it should be like that. Perfect for when you get home from work, pop a couple chicken thighs in there, chicken legs, whatever you want. Cook them up in a matter of minutes. It's fantastic. The Pinsoon did a great job, and I give it my thumbs up. The link will be down in the description if you want to take a look at this cooker. Again, thank you, Pinsoon, for sending this. I really had a good time cooking this chicken, and it's fantastic. If you like this video, please subscribe below. Leave me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on social media at Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. Come over and join my Facebook group at facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. I see there's a little chicken thief on his way.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Ah!
But since I'm getting accused, I might as well be guilty, right?
Watch out, it's going to leak all over you.
Now that's their chicken, yum. That sucker just falls apart.
Yummy.
You don't want any, did you?
I don't think I'm going to get any.
Yeah, probably not. Yum, yum.